Very good morning. Today our topic is how to test file download scenario in Jmeter tool. Okay. Last my video you were able to see how to test file upload scenario in Jmeter tool. The same way now you need to try to test the how to test file download scenario in Jmeter tool. Okay. Today this is our topic. Okay, as for theoretically, you can go to the step one. Step one. It under test plan, you can add the thread group. After you can add the HTTP request sampler. In previous versions, right, it's called as HTTP or HTTPS request sampler. Okay. After step two, add the values in HTTP request sampler. You can select the get method and download location path. Okay, how you need to provide this download location path, right? This is the dummy website speedtest.ftp.otnet.gr. This is dummy site for downloading the files. Okay, this is the location path only will provided. Get means you need to downloading the files or anything is downloading level only. How it's called as the server data will transfer to the local machine, right? That is the get method. You need to select the under HTTP request get method you need to select. Okay, and you can provide the download location path. Download location path means you can provide the first of all server name and where you need to download the location, and that location also you need to provide. Okay, after step 3, add the listeners. In general common way you can add the view results tree and view results table. Okay, both the elements you need to add. Okay, that is sufficient for this test. After step 4, add the listener save response to a file, provide the location path. Okay, actually most of the time this specific element you did not use it, but current test must and should you need to use. The reason is whenever you can add the all the get method and download location path remaining stuff everything will done, you can try to run the Jmeter test, right? The test is success, it's showing everything in green, but you don't know where the file is downloaded. You don't know, right? That reason you can add the under listener means under HTTP request sampler. You can go to the listener and you can select the save response to a file. This element you can add, right? And you can provide the there is some specific location path where you need to download the file. That time whenever you run the Jmeter, automatically the downloaded file will be stored to this is the specific location path. Okay, that details only. Step 5, add the values in to the listener. This details only you need to add. Finally you need to run and validate. Okay, this is the dummy. This is dummy side, guys. Just testing purpose only you can use 1 or 2 users only. Okay, please do not run 20-30 user load, right? That time you can run automatically, the site will permanently your IP address will be blocked. Okay, that reason just you can run 1 or 2 users only, just your knowledge and your understanding purpose. Okay, okay, now you need to open this site, how you need to look like. Yeah, this is the site, guys. Speed test okla. Okay, and you can download sizes also. You can see is 10 GB ftp, 5 GB ftp, 1 GB ftp and http both, 100 MB ftp and http, 10 MB ftp http, 1 MB ftp http and 100 KB ftp http. Okay, you need to try to download FTP method or FTP protocol, HTTP method or HTTP protocol. Both you can be able to try to download. Okay. Now what I need to do, I will take into the 100 KB. It's a small file, right? This one only I need to take. First I need to open my Jmeter. Go to e-location. Just a minute, you need to open this one. Okay, this site related details, right, I will provide the in description, maybe you can find it. Okay, once you will get right, you can easily you also try to test. But one thing guys, please do not run multiple users. Okay, this is just for testing purpose only, not for load testing purpose. Okay, you can run for load level, right, it's a block of a big problem. Remaining people's also is not able to access some temporary days. Yeah, now Jmeter is coming, right. Under test plan you can add the one request, sorry, under test plan you can add the thread group first. Thread group under you can add the sampler HTTP request. After thread group you can add the some listeners. Most of the time current test this two is sufficient. View result table and view results tree, you can see this two is sufficient. Now you need to add that which file. Example, this is the first file I am selecting 100 KB size HTTP. Just you can just right click, go to copy, click copy link address, copy that one, just you can paste it to the your HTTP request. Okay, you can transfer to the path, control X, you can paste that one, and this until slashes you can remove. Why? You can see guys, I am not mentioning anything. HTTP will default HTTP will came. This site also HTTP, it's not secured one. Okay, this is sufficient, no problem. And you can select the HTTP request get method only, it's a downloading. Okay, now you need to save this one. Go to e folder, Jmeter scripts, file download underscore one. Okay, it's a single user guys. Now you can go and you can run. Yeah, you can see now request is success. Okay, now request is success. Sampler results also 200. You can see request will be sent by default HTTP also. No response data, no response body also, nothing. Response headers will common data only itself. Now our problem is we don't know exactly where this file is downloaded. Okay, this file where is downloaded you don't know. Okay, now you need to add the save. Just a second, you can add, go to listener, this is the save response to a file. Under HTTP request you can add. Okay, now you need to understand this specific save response to a file, right. Whenever in your Jmeter script or Jmeter request, the request is success but you don't know where is the response you need to keep. Okay, that reason Jmeter will provide it to the save response to a file. You can save the response some other location. Now our scenario, the specific 100 KB file will be downloaded, right. The downloaded file where you need to save, you can provide some specific location path. Whenever the file is downloaded, everything by default will be saved. Okay, first one, element name save response to a file. Conditions, first one, save conditions. Whenever you tick mark, right, save successful response only. Okay, you can check second one, save failed response only. By default it's available, do not save transaction controller sample result. Okay, third one only by default available. Current test also this is sufficient, not required anything. After this section is very important our end. Okay, save details, variable name containing saved file name. Okay, this is not required currently. You can see second one, file name prefix can include folders. Okay, now you need to provide the location path where you need to save that file. I will go to e folder, under FTP folder I will give it. Okay, file name prefix can include folders. Okay, I will give the path and you need to provide the name also. Example, I will provide the test. Okay, now whenever you need to run the test, right, the test based only will get. And you can see there is another checkboxes also. Do not add number to prefix. Prefix means first. Okay, do not add number to prefix. Whenever you can run to the three iterations, right, that time there are three files will be downloaded. In location path what will be happening, right, it will saved test 1 2 3, that way will be saved. Whenever you check mark this one, you can run three iterations also, only one file only will become, but do not come to the any name also, means number it's not came. And second one, do not add content type suffix. Okay, you did not require anything content type suffix, yeah, you can enable this one. And you can add the timestamp also, you require you can add it. After last one, minimum length of sequence number. Okay, this is also currently it's not required. Our main focus, you need to use this save response or failed response. Otherwise you can go to the file name prefix only. File name prefix can include folders. Okay, I am already provided the folder location where you need to save our response. And I did not select to the do not add number to prefix, I need to add. Okay. Okay, now just you can save everything. Go to view results tree and go to sorry, thread group. You can give the three iterations. Okay, save that one also. Now you can see guys, FTP there is nothing else anything. Go to Jmeter, just you can run it that one. You can see there are three requests success, right? Second one also and third one also. Now you can go three, it's a success, right? The response is saved this place. You can see test 1 dot unknown, test 2 dot unknown, test 3 dot unknown. Okay, three files are created. There is no use, right? Okay, our response is saved. Now you can add it to the in save response file. You can see do not add number to prefix. Okay, now I will selected three iterations only, same three iterations. What will be happen, only one file only will generate it and did not provide any number. Okay, you can see second, first one you can select it, do not add number to prefix. You can run it. Yeah, three is success, right? Okay, you can go to that location. What will be happening, you can see test dot unknown. There is a file is downloaded but there is no any numbering system. Okay, this is the way you need to test guys for specifically file download scenarios. Okay, Jmeter will provide so many options. You can use to the elements only you able to test. Otherwise you have a knowledge on programming, you can go to the Java programming and you can test it. Otherwise you have a scripting knowledge, Groovy or Bean Shell, you can write your own Bean Shell scripts and you need to execute and you can complete your task. Okay, there are so many ways, I will explain one by one, I will move to that. Okay, maybe now you understand guys how you need to test to the file download scenario. Okay, it's very simple, it's not more than 2-3 minutes only. Okay, just you can give the path and select the get method and add the save response file and you can run it. Okay, you can test very easy. Okay, our topic also is done guys, how to test file download scenario in Jmeter. Okay, especially this topic point of view, right, you have any doubts please comment me, I will provide my best answers. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. You like this video, please subscribe my channel, I will provide more videos on same. Yeah, that's all guys, this video. Thanks everyone, I will connect with my next video. Bye everyone.